back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox so many products from Amazon and Meesho. This is a random Amazon and Meesho finds. I hope this is useful for some of you guys who are watching, because the medical students and the normal people, normal like college students, are definitely going to be benefited by this video, because this is like must have things and a very cool and a cute things that I've purchased from Amazon and Meesho. So let's see how cute and how worth these products are. I'll provide a link in the description box so you guys can check it out. So let's start the video now. Many products from Amazon and Meesho. So let's go. This product is from Meesho. I paid around somewhat like 86 or something. There is no amount written, but I'll tag the products in the description box. So no worries, guys. This is it. This is the product. I think there is a viral videos going on internet telling about this jeans adjuster. It is mainly used to adjust the jeans. This comes in set of 2. Let's try this gadget on this jeans. I'll see how to put this and I'll show you guys how it is gonna be. All you just have to do is pull the back side first. It will be very easy. See, yes, you can see now this is ready. All we just have to do is you can see these things. It is literally worth it, but you need patience to make this work. So if you guys are ready to be patient and ready to spend some time for your jeans to fix it, so I would say this is worth it, because on Meesho you would literally get it for around 86 or below 100 rupees. I'll tag this product in the description box, you can check it out. So let's move on to our second product, that is from Amazon. You can see this. The box itself is too heavy. This is one of the product that all the medical students would thank me for if you people did not know about it. So this is my first time trying this product and I'm literally very eager. Yes, guys, you guessed it right. It is a suturing kit. It comes with different threads like the silk braid and the nylon one. Along with nylon, it has polypropylene and polyester threads. There are different kinds of threads. There are around 5 needles, and this is the kit. These are the things. It contains 2 needle holders and a scissor and a forceps, and it also contains this gloves. So that also has this skin like thing where we can practice our suturing. It is completely packed, so we can see different suturing spaces are given. It feels like skin, but it feels like a rubberish type, but I think it is like worth it for practicing. So that's it. Want to purchase this, I think Amazon would be the best option, because I did not see anywhere other trusted sites to get this, and even going to a shop and getting it, because I don't have much knowledge about it since I'm learning all those things now. So I preferred ordering it online. So I took few suggestions from some of my friends. So that's a big thumbs up. I'll use this and I'll show this in my further vlogs where I'll be using it, I'll be practicing it. So there I'll give you the complete review, like how I feel about the quality. So for now, that's it. So next product is this huge one. Let's unbox this big one now because this is one of the most exciting and I've not opened it since it is gone, since it has arrived. So let's see because I'm very eager to open this box. This is from Fans Army. So obviously you know what I'm talking about. It is the Otaku Army fans. It's by the Otaku Army fans. It's mainly made by the fans club. So I am talking about the Demon Slayers shoes. This is so excited. I'm so excited to wear this. I'll pair this with my airport outfit. I am literally excited, guys, because this feels so pretty, and the quality wise also the sole is also very soft, and you can see this design. I got this from Amazon. I think it fits well. I think I should have got some more goodies like thank you note from the fans club saying about the Demon Slayer. I would have loved that also. So let's see. I think I ordered the right size. Yes. It's pretty. Let's unbox this last product from Amazon. These are called the fake collars. I got this on Amazon. I always wanted to purchase this, but I did not want to purchase it because I already have same kind of collar which is of sleeveless. But since my friend also told that she also wanted this, I told why not, I'll order one more for me also. So I ordered it, one for me and one for her. This looked so pretty and it gave that olden day French vibes where they wore this collar inside. Actually the male used to wear this collars, but here it has been a trend literally right now. You can just wear it anytime, and all you just have to do is pair it with some sweatshirt or any sweaters. This looks so beautiful. You can wear this inside, and on top of it you can wear any of the sweatshirts or any shirts. It would literally look so amazing. You can pair it with a t-shirt or a sweatshirt. I literally loved it, and I feel this quality is literally a 10 on 10 for me. That's it for today's vlog, guys. See you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also comment down in the comment section below that what product you like the most and what product are you looking forward to purchase. So see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.